Calculation of interest on capital. Interest on capital is provided to partners if prescribed in partnership deed at the rate specified. It is provided for the time period for which the capital remains in the business. यानी कि जितने समय कैपिटल बिजनेस में रहेगी उतने ही समय के लिए इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दिया जाता है. फॉर्मूला फॉर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन, इट इज़ द अमाउंट कंट्रीब्यूटेड बाय द पार्टनर. कितना अमाउंट जो है कैपिटल पार्टनर ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय रेट. रेट मीन्स कितने रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट जो है वो उसे दिया जाएगा, ये हमेशा क्वेश्चन में गिवन होता है. मल्टीप्लाई बाय टाइम. टाइम इज द ड्यूरेशन फॉर विच द कैपिटल रिमेन्स इन द बिजनेस. एग्जाम्पल 1, इफ कैपिटल रिमेन्स इन द बिजनेस फॉर फुल ईयर द टाइम इज 1 ईयर. अगर कैपिटल जो है पूरा साल बिजनेस के लिए में रहती है तो टाइम कितना होगा, 1 ईयर, क्योंकि हमारा जो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है दैट इज पर एनम. इफ कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन फॉर स्टार्ट ऑफ बिजनेस और एडिशनल कैपिटल ऑन, फॉर एग्जांपल ऑन 1 जुलाई को अगर कैपिटल जो है वो कंट्रीब्यूट की गई है तो that capital remains in the business for 9 months out of 12 months. So the time is 9 upon 12. If the partner withdraw a part of its capital on 31st January, say 10,000 उसने जो है 31st जनवरी को विड्रॉ कर लिए, then the capital remains in business for 10 months. Thus on that capital interest will be paid for 10 months. So time for that capital will be 10 upon 12. Now let's see one example for calculation of capital. Calculation of interest on capital. A, B and C contributed 50,000, 40,000 and 30,000 each on 1st April 2019. Calculate interest on capital on 31st March 2020. Rate of interest on capital is 10%. Let's see the solution. A's interest on interest on capital is what is the formula of interest on capital? Amount into rate into time. Here amount for A is 50,000, rate is 10% and the time is 1. Thus interest on capital is 50,000 multiplied by 10 upon 100 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 5,000. Similarly, B's interest on capital 40,000 multiplied by 10 upon 100 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4,000. C's interest on capital 30,000 multiplied by 10 upon 100 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 3,000. Now let's see one illustration. In this illustration there is a additional capital and also withdrawal of capital. Illustration is A and B are partners, started business with capital 80,000 and 60,000 respectively on 1st April 2019. They are liable for interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. A contributed 20,000 more as capital on 1st July 2019, whereas B withdraws a part of his capital, that is 10,000, on 1st October 2019. Calculate interest on capital. Let's see the solution. For A's interest on capital, he contributed 80,000 for the full year. So the interest on capital for full year is 80,000 multiplied by 10 upon 100 is equal to 8,000. And for additional capital which he contributed on 1st July 2019, that is 20,000. The interest on capital on that 20,000 will be 20,000 multiplied by 10 upon 100 multiplied by